Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Neipu Township in Pingtung County was originally a desert wasteland. In fact, its Hakka name means dry field. Despite this inauspicious beginning, the town became a flourishing center of Hakka culture, much of which has been preserved. From the famous Matsu Temple, with its exquisite carvings and ancient steles, to the Liudui commemorative shrine, Neipu Township is a treasure trove of Hakka heritage.
Hey, it's time for another round of Talk About Hakka here on FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Lin Lim Zapsiu, along with Leo. And when he's around, he's someone that's so cultivated in the Hakka culture, he needs to bring us to other places around Taiwan that has a lot of Hakka culture. 今天要去哪儿？
最近比较冷呢，我们就去温暖一点的地方。
越南越好。
对，到台湾的最南边。
鹅銮鼻。
也在附近啦，也在附近啦。对啊，对啊。好，我们去屏东的女埔哎。
哦，还是屏东嘛？
对对，
没错嘛。Okay, Leo was saying because the weather is cold now, we should go down as south as possible because it's warmer down there. And so we're going to Pingtung County, and this place called
女埔哎。
女埔哎，
就是
内埔。
内埔乡对
不对？Okay, 女埔that is a township known as 内埔 and there's got to be some interesting places that we can go to. 这应该有很多有历史性的东西的这个景点，我们可以去参观吧？
对啊，对啊。其实最有名就是那个六堆的天后宫，六堆天后宫。
六堆天后宫 ，Okay, that is the 天后 Temple that is found.
是国家3级古迹耶。
哦，天后宫就跟妈祖有关了嘛？对不对？Okay, this is the 天后 Temple, which is based on the goddess known as Matsu, and this is something that is already kind of a preserved temple here in Taiwan. 你说是3级的古迹了？
对，国家3级古迹。
Okay, it's a third-class national monument already. 那除了这个天后宫之外呢，还可以去哪儿呢？
另外还有一个地方也是可以去的，就是六堆的总义祠。综艺祠。
综艺祠。哎，等一下你一直讲六堆就是六堆啦。
对啊，对啊，对啊。
所以内埔就是六堆的。
对，它其中一部分。
Oh, that all makes sense right now. In the past, we talked about this whole general area down south in Kaohsiung and Pingtung is known as Liudui. Neipu is actually one of the corners of Liudui. And so, another shrine or temple that you should visit. 你刚刚讲的是Liudui的忠义祠，是不是？
对，忠义祠。总义祠
Okay, that's a shrine. It's actually the loyalty shrine. Again, this is Neipu Township located in Pingtung County, which is part of Liudui. There you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
按子谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.